everyone, I'm going to do a Dutch pour, try it. I've tried a few times and made such a big fat ugly mess, so I think the key is less is more. Anyway, I've got all the colours I'm using. I will list below this video. There's a metallic blue, there's a Payne's grey, and where's my gold gone? Sargent's metallic gold. And this is one messy thing if you don't get it right. And I have paint everywhere at the moment. Anyway, here goes. Last time. I might attach my blooper at the end. But anyway, I think I've nearly run out of white paint. Okay, no, good. All right, come on, I need you. Put you round. All right, there we go. That's me run out of white paint. And my torch. Interesting things are happening with this little metallic paint. Okay, so the other thing I think I'm doing is I'm going crazy with my hairdryer. So this time I'm going to take it nice and gently. Kind of like that. And then back the other way. Oh, thank the Lord. I'm going to leave it like this. Okay, where's my torch? Ooh, all this lacing. And this is going to look so... Oh, the gold's popping through. This is going to look really pretty once it's dried because of the metallic blue and the gold. All right. I think I finally cracked it. Now to blow. And I lift it up and blow it. And one here. Yeah, I like that. Paint all over my hands. My paper towel. And the other thing I was wondering is what would happen if I tilted it a little bit. Because there's some really gorgeous colours in here. There. Not a lot, just a little. But I'm really happy with that, finally. Yay! Hooray! Oh my goodness, what it took to get me to this point. So, in my other video, which was a complete disaster, and I scraped it off twice actually. This is the Dutch pour, and Rinska Downey is, I think she's the one that came up with the concept, which is simple, and I think she just learnt it from somebody. She just started painting, and it's such a simple technique, and if you get it right, it's absolutely so pretty. So I'm really happy with this one. Thanks for watching. All the details are linked below here to my website, my Etsy store, and I'll see you next time. Nope, I'm gonna scrape it off. Here we go. So blue. I like the colours though, very much. Pink. And some gold. And some Payne's grey, which has a little bit of white blown into it, but never mind. Okay, I'm going to use this white now. This is going to go all around the outside. And covered in paint. Try it on a low setting. Oh dear. Anyway, that's much better. And I bet I can blow it now. Yes. Nice colours. Take off those. I actually like the way it's run off the edge. I'm gonna have to clean up my window again then. And you know what? Maybe I should call this the double Dutch pour, because I'm going to do another tiny puddle of colours here. And I'm not going to do the Payne. Payne's grey didn't really do anything, but I guess it's a transparent colour. Oh no, it's actually opaque. Well, so much for that. Didn't work. All right. So we'll call this the double Dutch pour. Around here. All right, I'm gonna let that sit for a bit because some lovely cells happening here. Oh, I like this. Really nice. All right, so I think this is something that takes some practice, but I do like the effect. I think they're really pretty. And I think the key is paint consistency for sure, because the thinner white paint was much better. And also how much you put the hairdryer on it, because it's kind of blown over the window. I'm going to show you my window. I've got paint all over there. And there's Penny again. But anyway, Penny, she always does this in the middle of my videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time, and I'm definitely going to give this another go.